If your ads are getting clicks but not conversions, the problem probably isn't your targeting, it's your CTA. Most businesses obsess over audiences, keywords, and creatives, but forget the one thing that actually tells people what to do next. Today, I'll show you why your PPC ads need a strong CTA and how top marketers use CTAs to engineer conversions. Here's what most ads look like: great targeting, decent copy, nice design. And then, learn more. That's not a CTA. That's a suggestion. A weak CTA creates hesitation. And hesitation kills conversions. A strong CTA does three things. 1. It removes uncertainty. 2. It matches intent. 3. It aligns the entire journey ad to landing page to follow up. When CTAs are misaligned, trust breaks, and conversions drop. The CTA framework I use: Step 1. Define the user's stage. Ask, are they problem aware? Solution aware? Ready to buy? Your CTA should match that stage. Step 2. Be specific, not clever. Get a free audit. Book a 15-minute strategy call. See pricing and availability. Clarity beats creativity. Step 3. Reduce friction. Great CTAs answer, how long will this take? Is this free? What happens next? Remove fear equals increase action. Step 4. Match the landing page. If your ad says, book a call, your page should not say, download a guide. Mismatch equals lost trust. Common CTA mistakes: 1 CTA for every audience. Generic CTAs everywhere. No urgency or reason to act. CTA that doesn't match intent. Sending traffic with no next step. Clicks without direction equals wasted spend. Real-world examples of seen campaigns where CPC stayed the same, traffic stayed the same, leads doubled. The only change? The CTA. CTAs don't just improve conversions. They improve efficiency. If your ads are getting clicks but not leads, your CTA is the first thing to check and fix. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for real PPC strategy.